everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com in Addison, Illinois. Had my nephew kicking that one over because I'm having a little bit of an issue keeping it running, but it will be fixed. It's a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro, true X11 car, so that makes it an SS, but it's badged out as a Z28. Covered in beautiful green paint with the silver stripes painted on and the 4-inch cowl hood. Body is straight. Give it a good driver's quality. A little better than that even. This thing is a beast. It's got a 427 under the hood that's nicely built. All your lights are working correctly. Your chrome is good. All your badging. It's got an automatic transmission built with a stall, posi rear end, traction bars, nice street beast. Lines are real straight and gaps out real good all the way throughout. Take a look at that. All your glass is in good shape around the whole entire car. All your belts and hoses underneath the hood are in good shape as well. All the way down, it's real clean. A couple tiny little dents in the chrome, but nothing crazy. Look at the paint. Real nice all the way throughout. Trunk again, Z28 badge, but silver stripes painted on. Looks really good, good color combo. Little tiny things like this, but seems to have all original quarters and fenders are good. Nice gap. Sport mirror. It's got some good horsepower. I'll have all the information on our website at mgmclassiccars.com with a bunch of photos as well. And like I said before, it will be dialed in a little bit, but I wanted to get it out there so everybody could see it. Green on green, let's call it the Hulk. It's now called the Hulk. Real clean throughout. Seat belts intact in front. Got 6x9s. Headliner's in good shape. Dash is in good shape. A little peel off on top here, but nothing major. Like I said, all your upgraded gauges. I can't see, but I'll have the mileage online too. Your carpets are all good. Speakers in the kick pans down there. I like the green on green. You don't see many of those. B&M race shifter. Super nice. Now this one's available at our warehouse in Addison, Illinois, which is only like 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. We've got over 250 cars in stock. That's one of the warehouses filled. We're ready to go. Spring is right around the corner, so we're loaded up. We are open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Saturday from 10 to 2. We do offer financing if you have good credit up to 180 months with 10% down and shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured, opened and enclosed to your front door. 4-inch cowl hood on this puppy. Big old air coming in there. If you have any questions on anything in our inventory, you can go to our website, MGM Classic Cars. Check out the inventory, all our pricing, videos, pictures, descriptions are on there. You could reach me and call me if you have any questions at 773-600-0919. Again, I'm Earl, 773-600-0919. Please like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel. I think way over 25,000 people already on there, and we're just growing. But this is a super nice street machine, 1969, true SS, badged out as Z28 Camaro, with a 427 automatic trans, a little street monster. The Hulk is available. Give us a call. Thanks, everybody.